In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your notification settings. I don't know about you, but sometimes my notifications are annoying. You're going to go into your settings and you're going to click on notifications. Here you're going to find different ways to list your notifications, count, stack, or list. I usually do list. You can do a scheduled summary, which we'll set up later. But the gist of this is that you can schedule certain apps to come through at specific times. I have this off. You can choose to show previews, always, when unlocked, or never, which is a great security feature. You can choose when screen sharing is on to not have notifications on, which I always do. You can choose to announce your notifications, which is kind of a cool feature. It will actually read your text messages when they come through. Now, you can go through each one of your apps individually and click and customize your notifications for each app. The unimportant ones that don't need to be messaging me all the time, I turn them off because they're annoying. Now, you can also allow notifications for certain apps. You can turn the sounds on and off. You can turn the red badges on and off, which is a great feature because it's annoying to have a million red little badges on your phone, at least in my opinion. You can choose to show your notifications on your Mac. You can turn notifications on and off for your maps, which is a very important feature. I hope this video helped you out. You're welcome to come to my live for free every night and ask me questions, keep me busy. I've been doing that every night. Thanks again for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Have a great night.